Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rate Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner, press on the three lines there, and after that press on rate the app. And you can just give a rating here, press on submit. This will transfer you to the Google Play section, and once again you can just rate it and press on submit, and you will be able to rate the application like this. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.